beautiful people. It is Jess and I'm here with a new video. So in today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing $300. All right, so I have my envelope, and as I mentioned, we're going to be counting $300.
So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 200, 250, 260, 270, 275, 280, 285, 287, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300. So $300.
So I like to start off with, excuse the blue hands, crafts with kids. Right before a video is not a good idea. But anyway, if you watched my previous video, we did it. I rolled over an extra $20 that I had just to see if I could last a week without using it. I ended up not using it, so as I mentioned in that video, I'm gonna put it to the side and make it an extra credit card payment just to pay down my credit card faster. So that's what I'll do, and now we're back at zero. So as always, I always do $40 for gas, so I'm going to do a 20, a 10, and probably another 10. Yeah, so 20, 30, 40, and let's see, I doubt it. So I'm gonna put 30 for gas, and then 10 I'm gonna put in the treats. The 10 really is for tolls. So that's my total 40. So that's that. We're starting off in my Luna binder with groceries. Luna is where I keep my variable expenses. For groceries, I'm doing $100 for groceries. So I'm going to be doing a 50, 2 20s, and a 10 today. So then I started off, with 0, and I am putting in 100. So our total balance is 100. Next up is spending. In spending, we currently have 51, 2. So 52. We are doing 30 for spending. So I am going to do 20 and a 10, so 30. So I currently have 50, 70, 80, 1, 2, 82. To 30, and now we have 82. So the next up we have family, and in family we currently have 20, 40, 51. So 51. We are putting in $10. I'm going to do, I know I'm not supposed to be doing this because I'm saving money to do a gift, a bill exchange, but I don't have change. I don't have any 10s, and since I'm putting in a 10, I'm just going to put a 10 here and grab a 20. So then we have 20, 40, 60, 61. So then we did 10 and 61 we currently have. Beauty, and in beauty we currently have $10, $15, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $24. And we are putting in to beauty $3. So we have 25, 26, and 27. So we're putting in 3, and that means we have 27. We're probably ready to exchange these. So next up is kids, and in kids we currently have $11. I had to buy wipes and I needed to get some diapers as well. So for kids we are putting in 30. I put that back, sorry guys. And for kids we are going to add 30, so that's a 20. And I'm going to do another 10, but I'm going to exchange it for 20. So we should have 41. So we're doing 30, and then, oops, we now have 41. So $41. Next up we have clothes, and for clothes we currently have 0. We are putting in 15, so I'm going to do a 10 and a 5, so 15 is our balance. And I've been spending more on clothes than I want to, mainly for me. I realized that I don't really have loungewear and things of that nature, so I've been purchasing a few items in that department and just kind of like weekend clothes. So that's what I've recently spent clothes on. Next up is Kempa, and Kempa is getting $2. But first, let's see how much he currently has. So he has 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we're putting in $2, so 13, 14, so $14. So we had 12, put in $2, so he has 14. And that is the end of our variable expense, our Luna binder. I'm going to bring out my purple binder. And in our purple binder, we'll continue. So we have car, and car this week is getting $30. But first, let's see how much we currently have. Currently have 100, 200, 120, 140, 160, 180, 185. So 185, 185, and we are putting in $30. So I'm going to do a 20 and a 30. So uh-oh, see, we already did this wrong. I just noticed my mistake. I have 1, 2, 40, 60, 70, 80. Yeah, wait, what? 20, 40, 60. Oh, because I put in $30. Okay. All right, so I made a mistake. I think this is 285. Hold on. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 85. Yeah, it's 2. I put 185, but it's 285. Oh, I didn't need to erase the whole thing. So it's 285, and we are putting in $30. So now we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, and 15. So 315. And I recently needed to get 2 tires, so money was removed through here from that. And I need to get an oil change this week too, so that'll be less next time around as well. Next up is health. For health, we are putting in $5, but we currently have, let's see, 100, 150, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So we have 190. And then we are putting in 5. So we have 5, and then we have 195 as our total. Then we have vacation, our vacation fund. We currently have, we're doing pretty well with our vacation fund. We'll see if we can go somewhere. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 500, 520, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 580. And we are putting in $10. So I don't have change. I don't have change. So I'm gonna have to do it, sorry guys. 2 10s. I'm gonna exchange that for a 20, and then I get a 10 back. 590. 580, adding 10. So 590, and we are making progress. I think that is definitely 2 plane tickets. So 2 more to go. And, we're on our way. Next up is after school. So after school is getting $25, but it currently has, so we have 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 265, 270, 275. So 275. Mm, 60, 75, yeah. 275, and we are adding $25. And I believe that's all the rest of the money. So yeah, let's see, 10, 15, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 bucks. And let's try to situate this. It is a mess. You're dead, you're dead. If you know where that's from, let me know. So I have 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 270, 275, 280, 285, 290, 292, 294, 295, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. So we have 300. How much did we add? 25? Yeah. 25. So now we have 300. And this will cover one child. For after school, I'm really trying to get ahead of it. I have to pay it on a monthly basis, and I'm not used to that. In the past, I've paid weekly, so it's more manageable. But now, I guess due to COVID, I feel as though I have to be a month ahead in order to be ready for the next month, if that makes any sense. So that's what I'm dealing with. So all right, so that sums up my video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. If you like this sort of content, enjoy watching budget related videos, cash stuffing, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join me on this journey to becoming debt free. I am working on, my next video will definitely be my savings challenge / credit card payment video. I am due to count how much money I have in my 1s and 5s, which I'm going to be counting on a quarterly basis. So that is due soon. So we'll see how much we have there. And then I also have to do my 52-week challenge payments, which I'm missing a few weeks. So I've been putting the money aside, so I'll record that. And I think that's it. So keep an eye out for those videos, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.